Now we will define another problem, which is nothing but getting top and priced products. So if you take the example of 2, we got 4 records when I ask for top end products or top 4 products, and you can see that there are 2 records with 199.99. Okay, if there are more than 4 records which fall in top 4 products by price, I want to get all those things. So let's say there are 10 records, 4 of them is 299.99 and 3 of them is 209.99 and 3 of them is 199.99. I want to display all those things. Okay, if I give top 3 priced products. So let us try to solve the problem for that. It is a bit complicated than what we have seen. Okay, so again, up to getting products GB category, products group by category, the logic is same. You have to get the products to read the data, and then you have to filter that record which have the issue. Okay, products filtered will give 1344 records, and then we have to use products map. Sorry, we have to use map function to convert each record into tuples. You can see products map dot take of 10 print of I. Okay, you can see the records in the form of tuples, and then you can see the records in products GB category. Okay, and here I am saying take off 10 print of I, and you can see the results. So we are getting tuples with a category ID and the collection of products within the category. And now from this I want to get top and priced products. Again, I am creating a variable called T. Okay, and using this products group by category dot first, I am assigning the first element to this variable called T. You can see here, and then I am creating a variable called L, which is nothing but list of T of 1. Okay, so I'm getting this into a original typical Python collection. We can see here, and now I want to apply top end products, top end priced products on top of this. Okay, to compute top end priced products, first I have to get top end prices, the distinct top end prices. So if I pass 4, I have to get top 4 prices from this collection. I just want to get the prices, and then I have to iterate through the original collection and process for those records which have product price which falls in top end prices. Okay, so I will be creating a variable called top end prices, and from this first I have to extract. So using L, which is nothing but a collection, we'll define a variable later. Okay, I have to use map function. As part of map function, I have to get this price, right? So I can say lambda p float of p dot split, comma is the delimiter of 4. Okay, and then I have to pass L to that, and we can actually see the results. It will get only the product prices from this results list of map of blah blah blah. You can see here we got all the product prices. From this I need to eliminate duplicates to get top end prices. So if I pass 4, I just want to get top 4 unique prices, and then I have to look up into this while processing the original collection, which is L in this case. Okay, so how to eliminate duplicates? It's very simple. You just use set API on top of this map function, and it will take care for you. I just have to say set and then copy this part. It will eliminate duplicates for you. There are no duplicates now. From this, I have to get top 4 prices. For that, we need to sort the data and fetch top 4 prices once the duplicates are eliminated. So I can use sorted, okay, and I can pass this as first argument. So sorted takes iterable as first argument, okay, and the second argument is key, means there are couple of more arguments, and then there are keyword arguments such as key and reverse. Okay, so using reverse equal to true and key, there is no need to apply key here because it's a simple collection, and hence there is no need to apply key. I can just apply reverse equal to true, and data will be sorted in descending order. You can see here. From here I can say of 4, which will give us top end prices. Now I can assign this to variable top end prices equal to this. Okay, so now we got top end prices, and we have to look up into this, and we have to extract all those records which fall, for whom the prices fall in this category, and also we have to sort the data in descending order. What I will be doing is, first I will be sorting data in descending order. So L, which is nothing but this, I want to sort in descending order. So again I can say product or L sorted. Let me give the variable name as L sorted equal to, okay, I can use sorted function once again. In this case I am sorting the original collection, which is L, and in this case key is nothing but product price, which is nothing but float of p dot split, comma is the delimiter, and 4. Okay, and then reverse equal to true. Here I have to say lambda because key has to be lambda function, lambda p. Okay, now the data is sorted, you can see here, and once the data is sorted, if it is a list, there is a function called take while. There are multiple functions. Typically what we do, we just use for loop, and one of the ways to solve the problem is just say for I in L sorted. So while processing this data, you can compare with the top end prices, and you can get those records which have, if the price falls in those top n prices. Okay. For this, we need to process each and every record in the collection. As the data is already pre-sorted, we have the third-party plugins such as ITER tools. Okay, so you have to say it.takewhile now, and you can see the details about takewhile function. And as part of takewhile, you give the predicate and you give the iterable collection. And whenever this predicate fails, it will stop there. Okay. So in this case, if you use conventional for loop, as you have 24 records to get the products which fall in the top 4 prices category, you have to process all these 24 records. Okay. But if you use takewhile, for this, the data has to be pre-sorted if you want to use takewhile. So as and when the first condition fails, it will come out of the loop. It will not process further data. So in this case, we have 299.99, 209.99, 199.99, and 139.99. These are the top n prices or top 4 prices, right? So if you look at the data, this 299.99 satisfies the criteria. This one 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 satisfies the criteria, and this one doesn't satisfy the criteria. So it will stop processing data there. So how many records it actually process? It only process 6 records. So instead of going or instead of iterating 24 times, it will only iterate 6 times. As the data is pre-sorted, as soon as the predicate fails, we can come out of it, and hence we can use this advanced API called takewhile instead of processing data with for loop and iterate 24 times. Okay, and the way it will look is it.takewhile. You have to first pass the predicate. So we'll come back to that in a moment. And the second one is collection. What is our collection? L sorted. So on L sorted, we have to define the predicate logic. So in this case, again, the predicate logic can be passed as lambda function. Okay, lambda p. Okay, and then you can say p dot split. So in this case, from each element in L sorted, I am extracting the price and comparing if it falls under top n prices. So p dot split of 4, and I have to say float here. Okay, and as the top n prices is already collection, there is a function called in. I can say use in, and then I can say top n prices and hit enter. And now I can actually iterate through this list by saying for I in list of print of I and hit enter. Now you see we got all the 6 records which fall under top 4 priced products. Okay. So this is how you can use these APIs and define the function, and that function can be invoked using FlatMap. So let us define the function now. Def get top n product prices. Okay, and we will be passing products collection as first argument and top n as second argument. And then I want to import ITER tools because I have to use takewhile towards the end. And then first I want to get product prices. Okay. So to get product prices, I can say sorted set map, which we have developed earlier. So this entire logic. Okay, only thing is here instead of L I have to say products because the argument is products, and that is what we need to pass. So what we are trying to get by using map, we are getting the prices from the strings which are nothing but products, and then we are defining set so that the duplicates are eliminated. Then we apply sorted to sort the data in descending order after duplicates are eliminated, and then we have to say top n here because we are passing that also as argument. Okay, and then we can sort our original products data by using sorted. So the first argument is products and the second argument is key, and then this lambda function, and then reverse equal to true. Okay, once you have this, you can just return it.takewhile, and then you can say this in product prices. Okay, and this is the first argument, and the second argument is products sorted, and hit enter. Now the function is defined using products group by category. Let me define variable here, top n priced products by category. So products category, top n products by category equal to products by category dot flat map, and then lambda. If you say p here, I have to say get top n product prices. Sorry, I think the function name is top n products by price. Top n priced products. I reversed it. So I will fix the function and use this. Let me kill this, and then the function name is get top n priced products. I just swapped this, so I have to fix this also. Then products top n, and then let me copy this. This is correct. So let me copy this, and then let me copy this, and let me fix this, and then let me return this. Okay, now I can say top n products by category, products GB category, flat map, get top n priced products. Okay, so I have to pass list of p of 1 because the original data type of p of 1 is different, and then 4 and hit enter. Okay, now I can say for I in top n products by top n priced products by category dot take of 10 print of 5 and hit enter. Now you can see we got all the 6 records for category ID 2. And also you can actually get the count. Earlier we got 220 with top n products. In this case, it will be more than that because we are considering duplicates also. We got almost 432 records. Okay, so this is how you can actually accomplish solutions for problems like ranking using group by key with Python based APIs. So you have to be master of both. Okay, so let me reiterate some of the important packages which you need to be familiar with respect to collections in Python. You should know the regular map reduce functions in Python because we have been using that a bit for map and filter, not reduce. Reduce is not there as part of core Python. And then as part of func tools, I would highly recommend you to go through all the APIs that are available as part of func tools. Reduce is one of them. Okay, and then iter tools. Iter tools have several APIs. One is take while, which we have used. It has chain, and there are few more which you might be interested in once you go through the list of APIs. On top of this, you need to be familiar with pandas. We will not be using pandas with Spark because Spark have Spark based APIs, and hence pandas is not that relevant here. But in general, to understand data frames in detail, it's better to learn pandas also. So these are the packages which you should explore if you want to be a data engineer using Python as programming language.